Today we're making a Louis Vuitton store. Download and print on Patreon. Cut everything out. Here we are making the shopping bags and cutting each strip and then folding each strip in half. I'm using tape runner, but glue works just fine. And folding it in half. And we're gonna do it twice. And then here I'm just cutting out the bag, folding it, and then gluing it together. Folding both sides in. Putting both bag handles on each side, and I'm putting them on with some hot glue. It's way more sturdier for the handles, so you can actually put some weight in. White foam board, some peel and stick wallpaper for the flooring. Two by 20 inches white foam board, 2 pieces, and on the bottom just the thickness of my ruler, made a line, and then the highest or biggest, tallest bag that you have. That's how I measured mine for the shelves, the distance between each shelf. Very small, narrow white foam board cut into pieces, a little shorter than 2 inches. White piece of white foam board, slightly bigger on the back because of each side of the shelves, the walls. Clear plastic, cut to the size of your shelves. Just place them in. I made 2 on both sides. Glue the flooring and the one side together. Printed out Louis Vuitton pattern. Glue it on the wall. White narrow strips of foam board and make a nice little frame around it. For the logo here, just a little black piece of foam board in the back for thickness. Black cardstock, measured of the thickness of the foam board and cover it around to cover the edges. Glue it on. This middle shelving unit is a bit longer than my ruler, so a little over 13 inches. The height of the shelving unit is 5 inches. Here I'm doing the same thing as the one on the left and the right. Some clear plastic measuring, and then I did 2 white cardstock pieces on the very top of the shelving. And here are the measurements for the till countertop, like the whole stand. 2 times 2 by 5 black foam board, one on each side. Here I'm using white foam board, a bit slightly bigger for the top, and covering it all with some black cardstock. Some clear packaging just on the top there. Gold peel and stick, little strip, the thickness of the foam board, and we're just gonna put some on the top. Here we're making the screen of the tail. Some black chipboard, 2 inches, 2 pieces, glue them together and cut it on a slant on both sides. Cover the sides with black marker. Glue that piece onto the back of the screen. For the base of the screen, it's just foam board that I used. Glue it on, and we're gonna glue it on top of the counter. Trace a round object on top of clear plastic, cut it out, and I used cardstock to go around the circle. 5 inches long black foam board for the legs of the table, 20 inches going across for the top, and the side of the foam board is 20.5 inches. I doubled it up for more sturdiness. Clear plastic. Measure the logo strip, cut and glue it on, and then flip it around, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. For the price tags, we're gonna poke little holes on the top and put some thread through them, cut and tie it onto the bag. All these Louis Vuitton bags are found as printouts on my Patreon page. Black chipboard, and with hot glue I glued the top on. Now we're simply just gonna put everything on the shelves, fill it all up, and make it look nice. The shopping bags we're gonna put inside the counter.